In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a group email in Pipedrive. Before we dive in, a quick heads up so everything works smoothly. The group email feature is available on the growth plan and higher, and your email account needs to be synced with Pipedrive. If you don't see the group email option later, it usually means you need to update your plan or finish connecting your email in the settings. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head to the Pipedrive website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option and sign in with your account email. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the login securely. After you're in, you'll land on your Pipedrive workspace. From here, go to Contacts. This is where Pipedrive keeps your people and organizations. For sending a group email, you'll be working with people. If you're not already on the People view, switch to it so you can see the list of individuals you want to reach. Now choose the people you need to send an email to. Use the checkboxes next to each person's name to select them. If your list is long, take advantage of filters or the search bar to narrow it down, maybe by deal stage, tag, or location, so you're targeting the right audience. This is a good moment to double-check that everyone you're selecting should receive the same message and that you have permission to contact them. Keeping your selection relevant not only improves engagement, but also helps you stay compliant with email best practices. With your recipient selected, look for the Send Group Email button above the list and click it. This action opens the email composer with your chosen contacts included automatically. Pipedrive handles the sending so recipients don't see each other, which keeps your outreach professional and personal. If you don't see the button, it's usually because the feature isn't available on your current plan or your email sync isn't active yet. That's the full workflow. Go to the Pipedrive website, log in, open contacts, select the people you want to reach, and use Send Group Email to start your message. Keep an eye on your plan level and email sync status, since those two requirements control whether the feature is available and ready to use. With those in place, you'll be able to reach the right group of contacts quickly and confidently, all within your CRM. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your own account.